Music, cooking demos, and dance filled the Melrose section of the Bronx for the We Are Melrose Street Festival. The all-day event that celebrated community, culture, and commitment ended with an annual Harvesting Culture Awards hosted by Nos Quedamos. These awards were given to honorees that dedicated their work to make the Bronx a better place. Amongst this year's honorees were community garden directors, journalists, and university presidents. Joe Hirsch, editor-in-chief of the Mott Haven Herald and Hunts Point Express, and his team were honored for shedding light on the dynamic communities of the Bronx. Hirsch noticed that the media focused solely on the negative aspects of the South Bronx and wanted to change the way people viewed the community.
Very little was said about people's workaday lives and about the things that matter to people in these neighborhoods every day.
Mychal Johnson and the team at South Bronx Unite were honored for their work in trying to eliminate environmental racism. As COVID-19 has significantly impacted health complications within the community organizations must fight for environmental justice.
These things that we do not have that we're advocating and fighting for are the causes and reasons why we have such high rates, how we're hit hard by this pandemic.
President of Boricua College, Dr. Victor G. Alicea, founded the first nonprofit Hispanic college in the U.S. Dr. Alicea has opened 3 campuses in Brooklyn, Manhattan, and the Bronx through this initiative. He urges people of all ages to work towards getting a degree, especially when living in a competitive area like New York City.
Boricua College is oriented towards the adult student who may still be working or may still have to work, but has decided to come back and really develop their educational background and also get degrees, because that's the only way you can get a good job in New York City.
This year's Rising Star Award went to BronxNet's very own Sonyi Lopez. Lopez began her journey as an intern and has grown into an exceptional community journalist. At one point, she mentioned how society taught her to hate her community, but through her work, Lopez has found just how special and diverse her community is.
It's so important to highlight the community authentically. As a community journalist, it's something that I truly value, just being transparent and being a trustworthy voice in the community.
After a 2-year hiatus, Nos Quedamos was thrilled to be back at their annual festival and will continue honoring those who make the Bronx a brighter place to live. Reporting for BronxNet, Brittany, Skyler, Aubain.